Good morning, everybody. Morning, second day. Cloudy. Wind starting to pick up again. Weatherman was dead wrong, as usual. Maybe it'll clear up, but I doubt it. Just cooking some breakfast. Yeah. Could see my breath this morning. Oh, we got a 990. That'll warm us up. Little fire, start to warm us up. Got some porridge going. Trying to keep a smile on my face this morning. Not looking very promising already. I don't know if you can see those, but a flock of geese going south. That's where we should be going too. Instead, we are going down the lake to a 990 meter portage. Lots of fun over there, but we think there's an animal over there. Big animal, maybe a moose. See if we can get closer. We just saw a cow and a calf on the shoreline. It's still maybe 300 feet away. Don't have a good zoom, but she took off. First time we've ever seen a moose in Quetico. It's pretty cool. Alright, we're at the 990. This is usually a roaring river, like 1.5 feet higher, if not more. That rock in the middle there is usually submerged down quite a bit. You'd be hard pressed to shoot this. You gotta thread the needle down there in a couple spots. You'll be smashing rocks. All these rocks here are all underwater, usually. Well, we're getting ready to go.
Water out of it before it runs down my arm.
Yep.
Okay. Something on the ground there.
Got your paddle.
Paddle.
Yeehaw. Alright, here we go. I don't think I can make it all the way, but single carry, I don't know. We got everything here. Nice big hill off the start. Stuck on the trees. See the river down there or not, but not very wide. Still flowing good, but way down. Down there. Alright, up at the top. This is the high point of the portage. Take a little break. We're way up from the river. It's way down there.
I used to hate this part. This is the best part, the canoe. Back I hate now.
Yeah. Should be all downhill now, but we're not even halfway yet, so long way to go. Oh, stuck on a tree. Come on.
Sorry, bud.
Alright, we made it across the 990. We're down to Oliphant Lake. We have 3 shorter portages, well, 150 going across down through to top part of Sturgeon. This is the bottom part of the Quetico River Rapids and the portage we just did. Whirlpools. All right. We're on the long arm of Oliphant. Next portage I think is a 150 past the falls out of Oliphant down the Quetico River. Then we got 2 more short portages. We got a little set of rapids here. Not sure if we can get down them or not. We'll see. The water's down so much, there's some really big rocks in there. Thought you were just gonna let her go. Alright, nice little set of rapids. my first set ever, really. With this boat for sure. That's about what, class 0. It was fun though. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, there's a fire pit up there. I doubt it. Pretty hilly. We're just coming up to the falls down into Quetico River out of Oliphant. I think the portage is about 150 meters. There's also a nice little campsite here.
This one cheating?
Oh yeah, I could shoot those no problem. Pretty steep put in here. Wow, for some reason the mosquitoes are bad on this one. This is September, mosquitoes are supposed to be gone. Alright, a little short paddle to the next carryover, Portage. Not sure why the mosquitoes, well, it's been so wet, even though everything's down. Seems like we had a lot of rain and a lot of mosquitoes this year. Black flies lasted longer than normal. Mosquitoes have lasted longer than normal. Summer were shorter than normal. Got a rock field up there? Nice. Jeez. Got a little bit of a rock field here to maneuver around. Water so low. End of the 105. Heading for another one that's about the same. Down the Pickerel River. We got another 100 to do, and then we go down a bit and we get into the Deux Rivières. This is a river that goes up to Twin Lakes. It's quarter to, or 10 to 2 now. See how far we get. So this is the last set of rapids that we have to portage around on the Pickerel. Oh yeah. Alright, I guess Dennis has chosen to line the little rapids there, but I'm not even going to bother. Just carry over. Short. Little view back to the falls we just went around. Got a little bit of sun. Time for the sunglasses at least. Alright, now we gotta find our way in there somewhere. Through all the weeds, find a little creek. Just getting into the Deux Rivières now, so it's going to be interesting to see how it is. How many beaver dams, how deep the water is. So far, so good. This might be a battle. No, and there's no way you'll step out of that either. You'll sink up to your neck. Now, looks like we got a little bit of a beaver dam coming up. Yeah, even bigger beaver dam. We get over this, we should have lots of water at least. Oh, nice.
Some action footage.
Two turtles. Not sure what they're doing, there's no sun.
Yeah, trying to warm up any way they can. I'll go on the other side in case they...
Okay, beaver dam number 3 on this river. Alright, we're coming on to Twin Lakes here. Alright, I'm on the 750 meter from Twin Lakes to Door Lake. We just ran into a very nice couple, James and Denise from Windsor, Ontario. Had a little chat. They're heading down, we're coming up. Well, shout out to them. Thanks for the chat. Got that thing clanging in the back again. A little bit of mud, not too bad. 750 is done. We're into Door Lake now. We're gonna go look for a campsite. It's 5 o'clock. Perfect timing. And tomorrow we'll just have 2 portages. One out of Door and a pickerel, and then one out of pickerel to the parking lot. Nice little trip so far. Gotta like that. Bald-faced wasp, hornet nest hanging over the water there. Big one, the size of a football. Pretty cool. Just got to this little island on Door Lake, and it started to rain, so just got the tent set up and threw everything in here and just relaxing. It sounds like it stopped raining now, but too tired to move, so just gonna relax for a little bit, then make some dinner. Went 16 and a half clicks today. A whole bunch of portages, 990, 150, a 105, a 100, and a 750. Alright, boiling some water here. The MSR stove. Gonna try some Backpacker's Pantry spaghetti and sauce tonight. Last night I had the Mountain House noodles, the cheese and macaroni, and it was like cardboard, so wasn't too happy with it. So I'll see how this one goes. Get some water filtered, and doesn't look like it's gonna rain for a little bit anyways. Nice view out the front here. Maybe we can even have a fire tonight.